Good evening, everyone. I'm here in the laundry room. Today is laundry day. Busy. Guys, just I finished dry this comforter cover and bed sheets. See? I have more washing and more ironing. Labada time. Char! Keep smiling, OFW life. Kahit dami ako na trabaho, always keep smiling, keep going for the success. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. I will put it here first and then later I will come back here in the laundry. I will do ironing. Now I will cook my dinner. OFW life. More works, always busy. But don't forget, keep smiling. Guys. Ang dami guys, oh. Tapos ito pa guys. Dami pa yan guys. Oh, mga plantsahin guys, oh. Dami pa yan guys, mga plantsahin. Sa mga comforter cover guys, ang laki guys, oh. Matagal ka matapos. No problem. Kayang-kaya. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Wah. Wah. Pero unahin ko muna plancha yung mga, ito guys, oh, yung mga pang gym na t-shirt. Pang gym ito na mga t-shirt guys. Kasi araw-araw nag-gym yung boss. So, mamaya na lang ako mag-laundry. Mag-ano muna ako. Mag-luto ng dinner. Tapos kakain. And then, mag-plancha. May labahan pa ako guys natira guys. Towel. Bukas na lang yan. Okay guys. Luto muna ako ng ng